Hi, this is Richard from SleepHaven. You've caught me in the office and we're just wrapping up for 2020. So I wanted to take this opportunity to thank all my customers for your support during 2020. It's been a very challenging year, just to say the least, I'm sure, for you and for us and other businesses out there. Normally this time of year I'll go and visit some of my commercial clients, landlords or letting agents, with a few gifts just to say thank you for their support. Unfortunately not been able to do that this year due to social distancing, etc. So I just wanted to say a personal message to all my clients, landlords, letting agents, my domestic customers. Thank you so much for supporting me and the team and for your custom. Just to looking ahead for 2021, I'll put my coffee down, is that we're operating a WorkSafe safe work scheme, so we can still work in your homes, come to visit you, and with certain procedures that we've put in place and protocols, so we can operate safely in your homes, protecting you and the staff and the team when they visit you. This can be downloaded from our website. And it's a PDF there, and it just says or shows you what you need to do to protect yourselves and what we do to protect you and ourselves as well during the COVID crisis. So it's there, we can still operate, and we're going to be here for you in 2021. We just hope it's going to be a better year for everybody. Once again, thank you so much, and just to wish you all a Merry Christmas. I would toast you with a glass of wine, but it's coffee only at the moment. So from myself, Dan, aka Minty, Taylor, who joined us this year, who's been nicknamed Tic Tac, and Chris, Maggot Box, as we affectionately call him, from all the lads and all the team, we want to wish you Merry Christmas and take care. Thank you.